you feeling today? I'm just riding my wave to wherever it takes me. Teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy up here on the top of a roof. Just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content. Back to you, Roddy. What's up, everybody? So we had a no cool. Pretty sure I know it's actually not a no cool. So what's happened is this condensation pump overflowed, leaking to the basement and burnt up. Pretty sure it's a bad condensation line. Not condensation line, condensation pump. So I'm gonna replace that real quick. He wants to replace anyway, so I'm gonna just replace it. And then I'm gonna pour some water in the pump and see if it goes outside through the line. He has had condensation line problems before, so hopefully that's not the problem. He doesn't have to run a whole new condensation line. But the pump's 20 years old, so I'm pretty sure it's that pump. So what we're gonna do is head in here in the truck, grab a condensation pump, and switch that bad boy out. As you can see in my truck, it's not a mess, but it's not the easiest stuff. Condensation pump all the way back there behind this bad boy. Ugh. Grab it. Little giant. We're gonna grab that. Well, shit, I'm gonna grab some towels just in case some water wants to go everywhere. Grab a flashlight. I ain't gonna take my bag. Plus, I'm gonna grab me some wire nuts just in case. Back up once. Oh, I'm running low. That's huge. Some more of these. Take about 4. That's probably why I'm running low on them. Keep taking too many of them. Put them in my pocket. Grab this flashlight. Let's head down there. Alright, so we have the system. Here's the pump. As you can see, that bad boy is overfilled. He said the mower just went out completely. Look at this, is old drain line, condensation line. Look how, oh my goodness, look how dark that is. And there's this new one he took out there. Doesn't look too bad. He has the system on right now. I don't know why. He said it got too hot, so he just turned it on. Turn that off. It's just overflowing. But yeah, that's a lot of water. I would have brought my vacuum if I knew it was gonna be overfilled like that. I'm guessing he touched some of the wires too, because where I'm gonna sit this at? The ground is so wet. Where is? Oh yeah, it's completely full of water. I'm gonna go get my vacuum. Oh wow. So apparently he doesn't have it wired up in series. Yeah, it's 2 little wires. He doesn't have it wired up in series. That's why he never shut out the system. So we ain't gonna wire it up in series either. We're gonna just plug it up. But first I'm gonna get the vacuum, cause this is crazy. Alright, so I got the vacuum. Look at that water. Goodness, that's water. I'm gonna try to vacuum out. That's what I don't want to do, is have to carry this all the way outside. Hook that up. That should have took out. Yeah, that should have took out majority of the water. Now let's try to get this tubing off. So now I've got the tubing off. Here's the old one. It's 20 years old. Man, that's old. I'm gonna just put my vacuum down here. It's real wet. So I'm gonna just get my vacuum, at least pick up some of this wet spot. Alright, so we got the new one right here. I have to find a way. Make sure you take the brown tabs out. Did that earlier. So I have to find a way to put this drain back inside there. Actually, let me rotate this. So put that back in there. How are we gonna get that drain? Might have to cut it. That's a pretty long drain line to begin with. I might cut that down some. Yeah, that's a pretty long drain line. I'm about to cut that. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why you bring your tool bag. Because now you have to do on that trip. Let's go. Alright. So, I'm thinking probably about right there. Yeah. Alright, so you can see we got the tube in there. Got the condensation line also. Of course, we're wiring that the wires because he didn't have them hooked up in the first place. I'm trying to figure out where he had this plugged into. It was over here. Yeah, he did. I can just turn the system back on. So now we're gonna start throwing some water down there and see how the boy drains. It's gonna take a lot of water, but we're gonna just use up this. We're gonna use the Dasani, because I mean, Dasani's already probably like the worst water ever. It tastes like piss. So you might as well, oh, missed it, oh, missed again. Ooh, okay, I'm missing a lot. Alright. Let's go get some more water. Alright, we're on our third. Oh, that carpet is wet. I'm not gonna put my knee on there. Our third bottle. See if I can trigger it. Nope, need some more. Alright, bottle number 4. Sound like it drains the water out. I have a little cup outside where the drain goes out to. Let's see if it goes out. Alright, so we're outside at the condensation line. You kind of see it dripping. We got some water in my little safety cup. Yeah, we all good out here. Bad condensation pump. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Put the condensation pump back up. Water drain out. I told him, does he want me to wire it to the unit to where if it ever happens again, if it overflows, we'll shut the unit off. He said, nah, don't worry about it, it's okay. And I'm like, all right then. But, you know, I don't know why he doesn't want to be wired up. I guess he doesn't want to pay that little extra little fee, but hey, you know, all I can do, only I'm allowed to do. But that's it. For that no cool call. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content every Thursday. It's your boy Hvacroddy. I'm out. Peace.